in this week. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Gemini. So, 1, 2, and 3. So, yeah, tignan natin yan. So, you have this 46, 2, you have this, no, 46, 2, and 51, no. So, kapag nakita nyo to repeatedly, no, within this week, mga Gemini, no, so, may marireceive kayong good news, no, something like that, no, positive news, no. Kung hindi man kayo, maybe a member of your family or within the circle, right, no. So, yan, no, yan lang naman yung reading natin. So, napakaganda ng reading natin. Claim it, no, mga Gemini natin. So, yeah, that's it, no. So, I know naka-resonate ka with this reading, Gemini, no. So, God bless you always, yeah, lagi yan, no. So, yeah, thank you for watching, Gemini. So, yeah, no, let's continue with you, Libra. So, hi, kamusta ka dyan, Libra natin? So, tignan natin, no, career situation ng mga Libra, no? So, tignan natin. So, yeah, career situation for Libra, please. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for Libra. Career situation for Libra. Universe, please. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for Libra. So, 1, 2, and 3. So, let's see. So, you have this harvesting fruits of labor. So, yeah, ang ganda nito, Libra, no? For some of you, Libra, no? So, eto ka na, no? Nag-harvest ka na ng mga pinaghirapan mo, no? So, ito na, parang abot kamay mo na, no? Yung mga pinaghirapan mo, abot kamay mo na yung tagumpay, no, mga Libra. Konting-konti na lang. So, harvesting time na, no, mga Libra. So, kumbaga, itong mga goals in life mo, no, itong ginagawa mo, whatever it is. So, maybe sa business ninyo, Libra, ay lumalago ng lumalago, no, something like that. And of course, kung sa job man ito, no, may napopromote sa inyo, may promotion, no, for some of you. Kung sa career, kung nag-aaral man kayo, no, maganda yung nagiging result ng inyong mga grades, no, something like that, no. So, kumbaga yung mga pinaghirapan nyo, nakikita nyo na